Have you ever been stranded on the side of the road, staring at your car like it suddenly started speaking an alien language? The engine makes a weird sound, smoke whispers out of the hood, and you stand there, clueless, helpless, praying for a miracle. Now here's the truth. Most of these car emergencies could be avoided, or at least handled, if you just had the right tools. Not expensive gadgets, not a full mechanic's garage. Just 5 essential tools every car owner should actually have. By the end of this video, you'll not only know what these tools are, but you'll understand why they can save you hundreds of dollars, hours of frustration, and maybe even your weekend road trip. Number 5. A reliable tire inflator and pressure gauge. Ever notice your car feels a little off, like it's dragging or drinking more fuel than usual? The culprit might be hiding right under your nose, or rather, under your tires. Flat or underinflated tires don't just make your car feel sluggish. They kill fuel efficiency, ruin ride comfort, and can even lead to blowouts. Most people ignore tire pressure until the warning light flashes, but by then, it's already costing you money. A good digital tire inflator and pressure gauge are like first aid tools for your tires. You can check your pressure anytime, anywhere, and keep it at the manufacturer's recommended PSI. That's like giving your car a sip of energy every time you top up. And the best part? These tools aren't expensive. A decent inflator costs less than a tank of gas, and it'll save you far more in the long run. Mechanics always say, the cheapest maintenance tool is air. Mini tip. Always check your tire pressure early in the morning when the tires are cold. That's when you'll get the most accurate reading. Number 4. A good quality OBD-II scanner. What's scarier than seeing that check engine light glowing like a warning from the gods? Not knowing why it's on. Here's the truth. That tiny light can mean anything from a loose gas cap to a failing oxygen sensor. And without knowing the cause, many car owners rush to mechanics and end up paying for diagnostics that take 5 minutes. An OBD-II scanner plugs right into your car's onboard computer system, the same one mechanics use, and instantly tells you what's wrong. It's like having a translator for your car's warning lights. Let's say your car throws a code like P0420. You plug in the scanner and boom, it tells you catalyst system efficiency below threshold. Now, instead of panicking, you can make an informed decision. Sometimes it's a sensor, sometimes it's just bad fuel. And yes, you can buy an OBD-II reader for less than $50. Some even connect to your phone via Bluetooth, showing you real-time data like fuel efficiency, temperature, and throttle response. So next time that warning light comes on, you don't have to act like it's a doomsday signal. Just scan, read, and decide. Number 3, a portable jump starter. Picture this. It's late at night, you're leaving a restaurant, and your car refuses to start. The battery's dead. You look around, and there's no one to help. Now imagine reaching into your trunk, pulling out a small device the size of a power bank, and within minutes, your car roars back to life. That's the magic of a portable jump starter. Unlike traditional jumper cables, you don't need another car. Portable jump starters are self-contained power packs. Some even have flashlights, USB ports, and air compressor attachments. Here's why it matters. Car batteries don't give warnings before dying. A sudden drop in temperature or simply leaving your headlights on can drain it completely. Having a jump starter means you never have to depend on strangers, tow trucks, or luck. And if you've ever experienced that awkward moment of flagging down a random driver for a jump, you know how much peace of mind this little gadget brings. Number 2. A versatile socket wrench set. Ever tried tightening a bolt with the wrong tool and ended up stripping it completely? Yeah, that's every beginner's nightmare. A socket wrench set might sound basic, but it's the backbone of every car maintenance job. From tightening battery terminals to removing engine covers or changing spark plugs, you'll use it more often than anything else. Mechanics often say, if your tools slip, your hands pay the price. So investing in a good quality socket set with a ratchet handle isn't just about convenience. It's about safety. You don't need a massive 200-piece kit either. Just a mid-range set with metric and SAE sizes. Deep sockets and extensions will handle most DIY car tasks. And here's something people don't realize. Using the correct socket reduces wear on your car's bolts, meaning your repairs last longer. That's how pros keep things smooth, tight, and reliable. So next time you see a mechanic swiftly remove a part, remember, it's not just skill. It's the right tool doing its magic. Number 1. A reliable torque wrench. Here's where even seasoned DIYers get it wrong. Tightening bolts by feel. You think it's tight enough until it's either too loose or stripped completely. Enter the torque wrench, the unsung hero of car maintenance. This tool measures exactly how much force you're applying when tightening nuts and bolts. That's critical for parts like spark plugs, wheels, and brake calipers, where precision means safety. Over-torque your lug nuts, and you risk damaging the threads or warping your brake rotors. Under-torque them, and one bump on the highway could mean disaster. A torque wrench ensures every bolt gets just the right amount of tension. Nothing more, nothing less. It's the difference between doing a job and doing it right. Mechanics often joke, tight is good, tighter is broken. And they're right. This tool keeps your car safe and your repairs professional. Some DIYers ignore it, thinking, I've got strong hands. I don't need this. That's a fast track to stripped bolts and ruined parts. Using a torque wrench doesn't just prevent mistakes, it saves money in the long run. Every time you correctly torque a bolt, you're avoiding headaches that could take hours to fix. It's especially important for wheels. A wheel that's too loose can wobble, while one that's too tight can warp your brake rotors. High-performance cars, forget it. Precision is non-negotiable, and this tool is the only way to guarantee it. Even cheap aftermarket torque wrenches are better than eyeballing it. They teach consistency and proper technique. Pro tip: always check the manufacturer's recommended torque specs. It's usually printed in your car's manual. Think of a torque wrench as your silent co-pilot. It doesn't make noise, but it keeps every turn safe, precise, and professional. Bonus insight. Now you might be thinking, that's great, but I don't even know how to use half these tools. Don't worry, you don't need to be a pro mechanic. Start small, check your tire pressure weekly, scan your car once a month, and learn how to safely jump your battery. Invest in a high-quality jack and sturdy stands too, because safe, stable lifting is the foundation of any garage job. It's not about owning fancy gear. It's about understanding your car and being prepared. So there you have it, the top 5 tools every car owner should actually have. They're not luxury items. They're lifelines. And the day you need them, you'll thank yourself for being ready. Because the truth is, cars are like people. They don't always tell you what's wrong until it's too late. But with the right tools, you'll always know how to listen. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button. It really helps the channel grow. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell icon so you never miss more car wisdom, tool guides, and money-saving tips. And hey, drop a comment below. Which tool saved you in an unexpected moment? We'd love to hear your story. Till next time, drive smart, stay safe, and keep your toolbox ready. This is Zero Lift Media, signing off.